Ladies and gentlemen, Drizzy.
She just started to pop it for a nigga and looked back and told me, baby, it's real. And I say I ain't doubt you for a second. I squeeze it and I could tell how it feel.
Feeling like the sky is opening and I am
I wish we could take off and go anywhere but here, baby, you know the deal. But she bad, so maybe she won't, but shit, then again, maybe she will. Yeah, do it for the realest niggas in the fucking game right now, she will. Yeah, do it for the realest niggas in the fucking game right now, she will. She will, she will. Maybe for the money and the power and the fame right now, she will. She will, she will. Do it for the realest niggas in the fucking